at the Port Orleans French Quarter Resort at the Sassagoula Floatworks, which is their counter service restaurant. Some of the specialties here at Sassagoula Floatworks include gumbo and jambalaya. So they actually have a little bit of Taste of New Orleans here. This is gumbo for $8.99. If you haven't been watching your Princess and the Frog, gumbo is a rich stew with chicken, sausage, okra, and spices served with rice. Some places you even get shrimp in your gumbo, but not here. This is chicken and probably andouille sausage, which is a Cajun slightly spicy sausage. I've had the gumbo here before and I like it. See how rich and dark that sauce is? It is a little spicy for my taste, but I love it anyway. Jambalaya is $10.99, and it is chicken and andouille sausage. It says andouille on this one. Vegetables and rice, simmered in a spicy sauce. So with gumbo, you get the rice put in on top of the stew. Jambalaya is a rice dish all cooked together. Their jambalaya is just a hair dry tonight, but it's not bad at all. And it has a wonderful flavor. So if you're ever in Disney Springs has boats here to Port Orleans. So if you're feeling like a little bit of not too expensive Cajun and Creole, come on over to Port Orleans French Quarter.
I like both gumbo and jambalaya. We'll see how the Disney versions stack up. Here we go. A little bit of spice on the back of my throat, but this is really good, I guarantee. You probably don't know where I got I guarantee, but there used to be a cooking show with a cook called Justin Wilson, who was also an engineer in New Orleans, and he used to say that about all his food, I guarantee, and he was a pretty good cook. We even have one of his cookbooks autographed, so that's where that came from. Now on to the jambalaya. We'll get some of the rice and some of the sausage in there. The spice is a little more up front on this one, and it's a little time delayed. It is actually a little too dry. I'm going to try some of the cornbread. I like cornbread. Cornbread is delicious. So, did I get either of these again? I get both of them again. They are both really good. Would I get the jambalaya again? Yeah, I really would. It's a little dry, but it's still pretty good. And the cornbread is great. Now that we've had our gumbo and jambalaya, it's time for dessert. So we head right on over out of the Floatworks and Food Factory, right over to Scat Cat's Club Cafe for some beignets.
So at Port Orleans French Quarter, at the Scat Cat, you get Mickey-shaped beignets. This is not what you're going to find at Café du Monde in New Orleans. It's been so long since I've been there, I honestly can't remember how different the beignets might be. But a beignet is just a fluffy, pillowy donut, always covered in only powdered sugar. Some do have dipping sauces. They offer dipping sauces here. Why would you dip anything? You dip a beignet into anything. They're so good. They're 3 for $6.99, 6 for $10.99. Or if you want to try something different that's sort of like dipping, you can buy, I can't think of the name of them now, but they make boozy beignets too. They're a little more expensive. They're not Mickey shaped, but you get a little pipette of liqueur to squirt inside, and it's so spongy in there. It's really pretty tasty. Love beignets.
I love beignets. They are so good and so tasty, but they leave a heck of a mess. And it's a real job to clean these tables up after you eat them. But the Disney crew sure does a good job of it. Kind of makes a mess on your face too.
Well, we can't be over here on Mardi Gras night, so we came tonight to get some good food and some beignets and just enjoy a little New Orleans atmosphere for Mardi Gras.
Yeah, we want to get it in before Lent starts.
Universal may run their Mardi Gras all the way through Easter, but I still have a little bit of a, I don't say it's an ethical problem, but it's just not quite right.
You're a little bit of a purist.
I am a little bit of a purist. I only spent 1 year in New Orleans, but man, it was a fun year. So I'll probably end up over at their Mardi Gras celebration after Mardi Gras, but I really am kind of questioning. That's okay though, we've had a lot of fun tonight and we'll just see what else we can do before Mardi Gras itself.
We'll just let the good times roll.
Laissez le bon temps rouler. If you like this video, please give us a good thumbs up. Those really help us.
Leave comments. We love comments.
Subscribe if you haven't. We would love some more subscribers too.
Feel free to share this with your friends. And with that said, I'm Art.
I'm Elizabeth.
And this is Our Life on the Go.